ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Kamon ban long slur, ringkat bat kaman ba Shongkia. Kasyong ha ka jinglong scam, bat jingjit bastard jongi. Katata Harrier, kakali ka bansan ya ka linti ya jongpi, kala banong ka jongpi minta. Book ya katata Harrier ha Frank Motors, lat korngi, lani phone ha number hinyo not sausan ar, not hinyo kanda hinyo lai.
Uba polling do ubulong Myntri jong ka Sorkar jela uba pe ya katana social welfare la penpau ya ka Lyngngoh. Halor ka Jingpynbna jong ka office social welfare ya ka Jingpynbna ka batai bakla. Halor ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act ka kandai spa kandai punyo. Hak jing keren bekilat pathai kubor hak shita dek uno pra ara cha arpulai uba polling do ulaya thu bulapan ya ka file na ka office social welfare ban bishad banya ya ka Jingpynbna bala Pynmih dakani ka office bad ongru ba kamlong satya ka badai ban yalam bakla ya ka an ka bala bishad banya da ka Sorkar jela bad ka bala yo Jingmenjur ru na ulat ka jela.
Well, I fully understand the concerns raised by the HYC. And in this connection, I have sought for the relevant file to be put up to me. And it is strange that such a notification has been issued because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government. And no notification should ever, be in a position to dilute any piece of legislation, especially an act that has got the assent of the governor of the state. Well, as I said, I have called for the relevant file. I'll go through the details accordingly.